everyone, I'm Vicky. Today we are going to crochet this plaid tote bag. It's very easy and friendly for beginners. Let's see what materials are needed to crochet this bag. For this project we need a 52-hole peel back base, 1.5mm cotton and linen yarn, and a 3mm crochet hook. A leather label. Let's begin crocheting now. We can see 4 points on the back base. Find the one in the upper left corner. We'll begin crocheting from the hole at its upper left. Hook the yarn out of the hole. Then chain 1. Work 3 single crochets in this hole. Here is the first single crochet. Work 2 more. Work 3 single crochets in each of the next 7 holes. Then we'll work 2 single crochets in each of the next 18 holes. Then work 3 single crochets in each of the next 8 holes. Then we'll work 2 single crochets in each of the next 18 holes. Then join a slip stitch on the top of the first single crochet. Here is our first round. For round 2, chain 1 first. Then work a single crochet in each stitch for a total of 120 single crochets. Then join a slip stitch to end round 2. Here is our second round. For round 3, chain 2. Then work 3 double crochets in the first stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Here is the first double crochet. Work 2 more in the same stitch. Then skip 2 stitches. Work 3 double crochets in the next third stitch. We are going to repeat this pattern all the way round. Then join a slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet. Here is our third round. For round 4, chain 2 first. Then work 3 double crochets in the interspace on the left. We are going to work 3 double crochets in each space. Then join a slip stitch. We need to finish the 5th round in the same way. We'll add khaki yarn in round 6. Chain 2 first. Then work 2 double crochets in the space. Then work a double crochet in halfway. We have 2 loops on the hook. Then use the khaki yarn to pull through the 2 loops. Then work 2 double crochets in the next space. Work a double crochet in halfway. Then switch color, pull through the 2 loops on the hook. Repeat 3 double crochets and switch color. Then join a slip stitch. For round 7, we don't need to change color. We are going to work 3 double crochets in each space. Keep crocheting in the same way and change color as needed. I'll see you in round 26. Chain 1 first, then work a single crochet in each stitch. Then we are going to crochet the strap. We need to make 4 markings on the back. We need to find the stitch in the middle on the left. Start crocheting in this stitch. Chain 1. Then work 17 single crochets in order. Then chain 120. Then chain 120. Skip 26 stitches and work 17 single crochets in order. Then join a slip stitch. For round 2, chain 1 first. Then work 16 single crochets in order. Then go into the next stitch and pull through the yarn. Go into the first chain and pull through the yarn. Then yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Here is a single crochet decrease. Then work 118 single crochets in order. Then work a single crochet decrease. Finish the rest part in the same way. For round 3, chain 1 first. Then work 15 single crochets in order. Then work a single crochet decrease. Then work 118 single crochets in order. Then work a single crochet decrease. Finish the rest part in the same way. Then finish the 4th and 5th rounds according to the pattern. Finally, glue a leather label on the back. We've now completed this bag. See you next time.